Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to part 25 in this series, Programming for the Web. This is an introduction to installing a server system. We're doing this now because some of the other items that we need, like Composer, will need PHP and other types of items that we need for the server. We install at the same time as the server. Okay, so we'll do a brief introduction to the server system, and then we'll look at installing various systems a bit later on. Okay, so first of all, you have a number of choices. You can install what's commonly known as a LAMP, MAMP, or WAMP stack. Okay, now this is an installer system that all the hard work's been done for you. LAMP is the Linux Apache MySQL PHP package. MAMP is the Mac OS Apache MySQL PHP, and WAMP is the Windows Apache MySQL and PHP. Although it says MySQL, it could be MariaDB or MySQL. MariaDB is virtually the same as MySQL. It's a fork of the original MySQL before or at the same time as it was purchased by Oracle, and follows all the same commands and is mostly the same. It's only when you get into the high-end technical parts where there are some small differences. Okay, the P, some of these will have a second P which stands for Perl, and I'm sure the Python community would think that the P stands for Python. It could do later. Okay, so you can actually install a LAMP stack, and we'll be looking at that, or you can create your own server system, and we'll also be looking at this. Now here you need to install the programs individually. You're going to need a web server. Now Apache 2 is installed on more than 50% of all the web servers in the world, so this is probably a good one to install. Nginx is another one which is very popular as well. Or, as we're in a test environment working on your own system, a lot of the IDEs that we have a built-in server system, so we don't actually need to install a server for that. So we'll have a look at in another video of installing Apache 2, and we'll also look at IDE's built-in servers when we install the IDEs. Okay, we'll install probably MariaDB, simply because Oracle are, how can I put this, messing about a little bit with MySQL. So we'll probably go for MariaDB. We'll install PHP on the system. This will be at least PHP 7. It will probably be 7.2 or later. And we'll install PHP myadmin as well, so that we can administer the database. PHP myadmin works with both MySQL and with MariaDB. Okay, so first of all, we're going to do an AMP system, and one of the most popular, if not the most popular, is a product called Xampp with two P's. Xampp stands for either Linux or Mac OS or Windows, Apache 2, MySQL, PHP, which I believe at the moment is 7.2.4, and Perl. So it'll install all of those, and there's just a small amount of configuration that we need to do to make it work on any system, and they have some very good documentation as well, which will help you get up and running if you have a problem. But I'll talk you through the installation on a Linux system. Installation on Windows is fairly similar as well, and I'll tell you where those are different when we do that. Okay, now when we install Xampp, it also installs phpMyAdmin for us and links it into the system, so we don't have to do anything with phpMyAdmin apart from give it a password. So without further ado, we're going to do all of that. Once we've done that, we'll configure Xampp. So there's quite a lot to do with Xampp. I'm hoping to keep it under 15 minutes, but I can't guarantee it. I will speed things up where they're slower. Okay, so we'll see you in a few minutes when we install Xampp. My name's John. Thank you for watching.